Gaylord Security specializes in selling and installing ADT monitored security systems. We are one of the largest dealers in the nation and are dedicated to helping you protect what matters most. ADT is today's most trusted and well-known brand in the security industry and currently serves more than 6 million customers. ADT awarded Gaylord Security with the 2012 Best Customer Satisfaction rating out of all of the hundreds of ADT authorized dealers. On top of that, Gaylord Security guarantees to price match any written quote for an ADT monitored alarm system. That makes Gaylord Security #1 in installation and ADT #1 in monitoring at the best price possible. And with the ADT Pulse Web and mobile app, you can now access your home easily, conveniently, and from anywhere. On the road, at your office, or while on vacation. Through virtually any internet-connected device, you can remotely arm or disarm your system, control temperature and lighting, lock and unlock doors, and view secure real-time video. At Gaylord Security, we have a team of highly trained, licensed technicians who are there with you in your home or business to install the security equipment. We work closely with you to ensure that your system functions properly and that all areas of your home or business have protection. Combine excellent service from Gaylord Security with an ADT monitored alarm system, and you've got home protection and peace of mind. There's no need to wait. We have next-day installations based on availability. Visit www.GaylordSecurity.com or call 877-682-6126 to speak to a representative today.